Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Nimbus Nightfox. If you don't know what the Nimbus Nightfox is, it's the short person 36. So it doesn't have a traditional seat post or seat post clamp, and it tries to get the saddle as close to the wheel as it possibly could. But other than that, let's start taking things out of this box there. So, obviously with this being 36, it's quite hard to get everything in shot, but the first bit you get is the frame. So this is what I was just talking about, if I can get this plastic off. The saddle is bolted directly to the frame, can you see that? Just underneath there. And the way you adjust the saddle height is the legs telescopic out of the bottom, so the bearing holes are going to be down here. I'll just hit Nightfox graphics, and it's got the cable runs for being disc ready. If you don't know what disc ready is, I have a video up here of explaining what disc ready is. Right, so what else is in the box? Next, right. So this unicycle comes in the box with the tyre off, so there's the wheel, see that? And it comes with 138 VCX cranks, and again that disc ready hub, so you can put your rotor on there. Nimbus hubs are getting quite nice now, and obviously black anodized rim and stuff like that. I'll put that just behind me there. That's where I turn my back and it falls over. And then you get your Night Rider tyre, which is the light version. Tell by the sidewall, so there's absolutely nothing in that tyre. And then somewhere in the bottom of the box, there's another box with all the other little bits in it. So we'll get a knife off the wall and cut into this box. So obviously these come with a FOSS tube. If you don't know what a FOSS tube is, I'll bring that in a little bit closer. This is a plastic inner tube. You see that? Nice aluminium valve and stuff. Makes them really light because obviously your 36 is quite a big tube. Then you get a handlebar. So this goes in the front here, just in there like that. Obviously with the clamp stuff. Then you get rubberized bar ends, the same ones you get in a KHT bar, and the shadow handle now, so no point in getting them out of the box. Then these are the telescoping legs, so this is the left one, you see that? So it's an aluminium tube with a bearing holder welded on the bottom, and this one's obviously got the tab for the disc brake on, and these go in the legs and telescopic up and down. They've even got a ruler on the back, so you can see how tall the unicycle is. Obviously you get two of them. And then let's pull the little box open. And this is the standard sort of stuff in here. Tool, where to get your instructions from. Nimbus studded pedals, sort of normal unicycle pedals, and then you get a little seat post clamp, and this isn't for the seat post. This is that. As I was saying, this is for the end of this tube here, so that goes on the end of there. So to keep your handle tight, I'll knock that off again, and then you get bolts, bearing housings, all that bits and pieces. What I'll do is I'll get over the camera and bring you in a bit closer and try and not get anything else off the bench. And there you go, I've got things laid out on the bench a little bit nicer. So there's that wheel that we were just talking about, and it still obviously doesn't have the tyre fitted, but you can see that it's that nice Stealth 2 rim and the VCX cranks and that Nimbus hub. Bringing you in a bit closer, you can actually see how thin the sidewall is on that tyre. That makes these new Night Rider light tyres so light. Moving over here, there's the handle that's swept up at the front. that FOSS tube, and then the 2 telescoping legs with the bearing holders. Nice bearing holders. And then the little seat post clamp that goes on the edge of the frame. And one thing I didn't show you is they come with a shim. So this little shim goes in there, and then the clamp goes over, so it brings it up to the diameter of this handle. And then that's the frame with the graphics and the bolts for obviously clamping down the telescopic legs. Bolt to that nice stadium saddle underneath there. Then your tools and bolts and things, and there you go. And that's it. That's Nimbus Nightfox out of the box, and you can see obviously it doesn't have that traditional seat post, and it doesn't have that start of standard seat post clamp and things. It does have a clamp, but it's just for the handle, I should say. Very nice unicycle these, and now that they're disc ready, if you know what I mean, it opens up a lot of different options for this unicycle. Other than that, if you've got any questions about this unicycle or any other unicycle that we sell on our site, please stick it in the comments below. And if you could do one of them YouTuber things, what is it, like, share, subscribe, changes every time I ask you, but if you could do one of them things, it would be very much appreciated. And other than that, thank you for watching. Cheers, guys.